Hello, in front of me I've got Nintendo Switch Pro 2 controller. In this video I'll show you controller preview. In the beginning, let's take a look at the top layout of the controller. Right here we've got classical YXBA pad, D-pad, 2 sticks, plus minus button, home button, screenshot button, and game chat button. At the bottom of the controller we can find aux jack, and here we can find two additional controller buttons that can be mapped to any function. On the top of the controller we can find pairing LEDs, two bumpers and two triggers. This controller is also equipped with USB-C charging port and Bluetooth connection mode. In the original package of the controller you also got USB cable for charging or pairing. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.